Hello and welcome to this ZENworks Highlights on using the Windows 10 Geolocations feature, now available in ZCM 2017 Update 4. It's a new device tab which has a Locate Now and a View on Map. Windows 10 1709 or higher has this geolocation service running. It uses the Windows 10 MDM processes, the geolocation service. And the more recent the Windows OS builds are, the more accurate this location finder is, only because the technology is always improving. Devices using the GPS location are more accurate than the location via IP networking. The ZCC administrators can control this Locate Now button through the ZCC admin right privileges, device rights, under geolocation for allow and deny. Logging for the geolocations. On the primary server, you can open up the loader messages logs and search on the process status navigation event handler. And then on the managed device, the ZMD messages log. Let's have a quick walkthrough. Let's look at some geolocations on some devices. If we go to this Windows 7 and we look at the geolocation tab, you'll see the functionality is not available. Only on Windows 10 1709 and greater. So if we go back, we'll go to a 1803 build, go to geolocation, we'll then select Locate Now and see as it goes out and checks that location. If you look on the services, the geolocation service has to be running on Windows, and all we're doing is leveraging that particular service and pulling from that data. And you can see the devices reported back for that location. And if you select View on Map, you'll be able to see it on the map. If we then go to our summary and look at our GUID, we'll go to our server, open up the loader messages, and we'll be able to see that it's tracked through the loader messages. All we have to do is edit, find, and if we look for the status navigation up, we will find that our GUID is located right there. So this is where it's collecting it and sending it up on into ZCC. And that concludes our quick demo on geolocation.